I homeschool. I'm going to explain what I got these for and see if you could find even a new use case for what you are going to do with them. Let's get these organized. You get all these cute little colored bands that are not the same texture as your typical rubber band. They are very stretchy. I guess you could wear them as a headband. That's weird. I don't know why you said that. And they can pretty much go over anything. If you're using them to label like a water bottle, you would probably have to double it to get it to be able to go over a lot of things. But because it's a rubber band, of course, they're stretchy and you can stretch it over things. So you're really best use case for these are things that are larger. Now, let me show you something weird. This came in the package. Why? Why? And I just opened the package just now. So I know that I didn't accidentally stick that in there, which would be something I would do and be confused about a few weeks later, but I just opened the package. It's like the little camera thing, you know, and then you can put your hand in it. So what are you using this for and why did I need it? I don't know, but there you go in case you need that. Okay, so you get all these different colors. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all different colors. No double colors at a single time. These aren't rubber though. And they don't smell like rubber because rubber is not the material of these. My 10-year-old son, we homeschool, and he got some new books in and we got them in the different subjects, but each subject, it's a whole new curriculum that we just started trying in probably March, and he loved it. So I went ahead and ordered more books, but each book, like science, has the main science book for the teacher, and then it also has a little journal for him, and then it also has a little reading book, and then it also has a workbook for him. So it's got all these little pieces that all go together. And so if I say to him, today we're going to do science and history, go grab those books, well, he doesn't even know what books to grab because there are so many components to it. Do be aware that it is getting stuck on the spiral. So if you want to do a crisscross like this and you have spiral notebooks, they might get stuck in there. It is doing a fantastic job other than that though. It seems very strong. Fantastic. As good as I had hoped. Nothing's getting torn up. It's not so tight that it's ripping pages out. If you double them, it gives the kids a little bit more security if they're the ones bringing them to you. And then I tried to match up the rubber band color so I could just say, grab the orange rubber band. That's what we're doing today. But then I'm going to have to memorize which one is the orange rubber band. It is an extra step or two, putting the books away and getting them out, taking the rubber bands off. So we may not end up doing the double bands. We'll see how it works. But so far, so good. I think this is going to help a lot.